In today's video, we will see how to use the app lock in the CashBook app. To lock your CashBook app and to make it more easy, we have linked the app lock with your phone lock. So let's say if on your device you have the pattern lock or the pin lock or maybe a fingerprint lock. So the same lock will work onto this CashBook app too. So to enable that, go to the settings, and to go to the settings, just tap onto the settings button which is there in the bottom right corner of the home page, and you can see the app lock. Just swipe it right. Like in this case on my device I have a fingerprint lock. I'll just enable it, and you can see app lock is enabled. Now I'll close this app and I'll open it again. See, it is asking me my fingerprint. Now it is open. And similarly, you can also disable the app lock. Go to the settings, swipe it left. It will again ask my fingerprint for verification. And now you can see the app lock is disabled. So in this way, you can set up the app lock in this app. We'll end this video here. Thank you.